Learn English to Gujarati.
તમે અહીં છો? તમારી પાસે સમય છે?
And more fun travel phrases. Welcome to the Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a tiny comedy of confusion, tea, and dramatic timing. Listen closely, repeat bravely, and do not worry if your imaginary cashier becomes more famous than the hero. Our story begins with you arriving far too early, which is great for language learning and terrible for dignity. You open a door, peek inside, and ask.
તમે અહીં છો?
That means, are you here? No answer. Just a chair, a fan, and the suspicious feeling that the chair knows more than it should. Scene 1. The empty room. Picture it clearly so the phrase sticks in your mind. You step in, look left, look right, and try not to look like a detective in a low-budget movie. You say,
તમે અહીં છો?
Are you here? A voice finally answers from behind a curtain.
હા, હું અહીં છું.
Yes, I am here. Repeat the question once more.
તમે અહીં છો?
Funny memory tip. Imagine asking,
તમે અહીં છો?
while standing directly next to the person. Excellent Gujarati. Terrible observation skills. Scene 2, the wristwatch drama. Now your friend appears, but instead of saying hello like a normal person, you suddenly become a very polite clock investigator. You tap your wrist and ask.
તમારી પાસે સમય છે?
That means, do you have time? Maybe you want a quick chat. Maybe you want help. Maybe you just enjoy asking important questions while looking serious. Say it again.
તમારી પાસે સમય છે?
A good word to notice is
સમય.
meaning time, tomorrow, or the kingdom of plans. You have survived the empty room and the time question. Now it is time for the most dangerous human activity, making plans for tomorrow. You ask your friend,
શું તમે કાલે આવશો?
Are you coming tomorrow? The key word is
કાલે.
meaning tomorrow in this context. Try the full phrase again.
શું તમે કાલે આવશો?
Memory joke. Imagine a dog holding a calendar in its mouth and asking you.
શું તમે કાલે આવશો?
Strange image, strong memory. Scene 4. Please rescue me. Suddenly, the day becomes more exciting. You pick up 3 bags, a map, 1 bottle of water, and your confidence falls to the floor. This is the perfect moment to ask.
શું તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
That means, can you help me? The important word is
મદદ.
meaning help. Say the whole phrase slowly.
શું તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
This is one of the most useful polite phrases you can learn, especially when your suitcase develops the weight of a small planet. Mini dialogue at maximum confusion. Let us put the phrases together in a quick and funny dialogue. You listen first, then repeat your favorite lines. A.
તમે અહીં છો?
B.
હા, હું અહીં છું.
A.
તમારી પાસે સમય છે?
B. A little. Y. A.
શું તમે કાલે આવશો?
B. Maybe. What happened? A.
શું તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
B. With what? A. With these bags, this box, this chair, and apparently my life. The restaurant finale. After all that hard work, you finally reach a restaurant. You eat well, feel proud, and then the final boss appears, the bill. A smiling waiter arrives and asks,
શું તમે ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગો છો?
That means, would you like to pay? Useful? Very. Terrifying after dessert? Also very. Repeat it.
શું તમે ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગો છો?
Notice the word
ચૂકવણી.
meaning payment. Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Now test yourself. If you miss one, no problem, just repeat and keep going. How do you say, are you here?
તમે અહીં છો?
How do you say, do you have time?
તમારી પાસે સમય છે?
How do you say, are you coming tomorrow?
શું તમે કાલે આવશો?
How do you say, can you help me?
શું તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
How do you say, would you like to pay?
શું તમે ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગો છો?
Your speaking challenge. Now it is your turn to perform the tiny comedy yourself. Be dramatic if you want. Honestly, it helps. First, open an imaginary door and say.
તમે અહીં છો?
Then tap your wrist and ask.
તમારી પાસે સમય છે?
Point to tomorrow on an imaginary calendar.
શું તમે કાલે આવશો?
Lift a heavy invisible bag and ask for help.
શું તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
Finally, become a polite cashier and ask.
શું તમે ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગો છો?
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just practiced useful Gujarati phrases with a story, a quiz, and at least one mentally overloaded suitcase. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these phrases out loud.
તમે અહીં છો? તમારી પાસે સમય છે? શું તમે કાલે આવશો? શું તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
And,
શું તમે ચૂકવણી કરવા માંગો છો?
come back, repeat them again, and let your Gujarati grow one funny scene at a time.